recording. Dude, and wait, hold on, let me sort this out. Battle. Dude, why does it not work? Please work, done. Okay, it's not working, whatever. We'll just play. Full screen. Dude, Korea. Attack. The battle begins. Attack the enemy base. Okay. Oh, dude, it's like Age of War. About cats. Tap. Okay, that's my money. Okay, we're broke. So can we speed it up? Yeah, sure. What's this dude do? Oh, dude, dude, it broke. What the fuck, man? Dude, hello? Dude, what is this shit about? Dude, I'm fucking done with this shit. Transform. Go to screen. Why is it not working? Stacks. Okay, load. Get cats. Oh shit. You can't see. Oh, it's working now. What the fuck is this game about? Bro, what in the fuck is happening? Yo, what the? Okay, relax. Oh my god. Okay, we're not gonna do that again. Okay, full screen. Is that better? Okay, that looks fine now. Okay. Okay, go. Okay, way better. Okay, dang. Yo, what? Fire. Easy, dude. We clap these dogs. Okay, we're gonna go. More cats. Dude, look how many cats there are. They'd be like just so annoying, like meow, meow. Okay, 80. What does 80 do? Dude, this doesn't look like Korea though. Oh, dude, we're fucking them up. Dude, we are rolling them. Okay, level 4. Dude, easy. Dude, absolutely rolled. The treasure menu has been unlocked. Wow. Okay. Okay, we unlocked some shit. Oh, what am I doing? Dude, I'm gonna get a seizure from this game. There's so many like flashing lights. Okay. Dude, what the fuck is going on? Inquiry code. The code has been recovered your data, but what? Okay, go away. Hello? Start. No, I don't want your fucking power pack. You've cleared Korea. Yeah, get fucked, Korea. Okay, upgrade. Oh, dude, tank. I want the tank out. No? Upgrade? Okay, no, I haven't got enough. How do I go next? Oh, okay. Understood. Acquire. Okay, we got tank. Not enough XP. Okay. Cat cannon. Okay, whatever. Go back. Missions. Okay, go away. Dude, 20 cat foods. Menu. Treasure. What's this do? Okay, we gotta get rid of this shit. Okay, go. get rid of that. Okay, we're gonna dominate. Where do we go next? Mongolia. Enemies appearing. Okay, attack. Best one is fishing wood. Cat base. Okay, let's fuck them up. Look at this little bitch. What does this do? Go. Okay, we need 40 cents. Level 2. What does that do? Oh, that means we can get more money, right? Dude, get fucked, man. Level 1. Okay, we need... Dude, they've got a snake. Dogs and snakes. What? They stand no chance. Okay, we need 80 bucks. Roll. Okay, we need a tank, and then we need little doggies. Little cats. Okay, there we go. Now, see, we're rolling now. We're absolutely rolling. Dude, look at... What is that? Okay, cannon fire. Okay, we get another tank. Dude, they stand no chance. Easy. Okay. We'll get more. Holy shit, this is loud. Dude, we absolutely rolled them. Dude, snakes and dogs. How? Okay. Upgrade. Well, what next do we get? How much XP have we got? Oh, dude, we can upgrade. We'll upgrade this one. And then... upgrade. Okay, now we're broke. Oh, we could have got a cat cannon. Oh, wait, no. Research. What's research? Accounting. Okay, we'll get them. Oh, what are special cats? The cat god. Dude, we've got to get the cat god. Efficient. Okay, we're gonna get efficiency. No. Okay, back. Dude, the cat god. Where's efficiency? Energy, study. Dude, where's efficiency? Wallet. Oh, there's efficiency. Okay, 1,000. We can get that. Stop. Where we go next? Dude, China. Dude, we're gonna fuck China up. Okay, we need... Yo, where are they with it? Yo, holy shit, they got a damn kingdom. Okay, we get this first. Okay, that's gonna be faster. Okay, boing. Okay, now we get a tank. Holy shit, look, they have a damn wall. Okay, yeah, we'll get this. Dude, we're gonna get cash faster now. Dude, why do they have snakes? Okay, and tank. Oh, the Great Wall of China. Okay, dude. Oh, rest in peace, cat. Okay, dude, they stand absolutely no chance now. Dude, look at this motherfucker. He looks like a damn hot dog. Okay. Laser beams. Okay, we got another tank. Okay, dude, it's got to get harder, right? This is too easy. Dude, look at this damn fat sausage roll. Okay, we get level 3. Dude, we're gonna be so stacked. Oh, dude, see, Great Wall of China destroyed. Dude, too easy. Absolutely rolled. Okay, next. There is a new cat waiting to be upgraded. Upgrade. Nope, don't care. Efficiency. Upgrade. Increase the worker cat's rate of income. Oh, smart. Okay, we need 2k now. Dude, we'll fully stack this one. Start. Oh, Thailand. Dude, we're gonna fuck up Thailand. Yeah, fuck Thailand. Oh no. Couldn't my chop, mate. Cut. Okay, dude. Oh, dude, look how fast. Oh, dude, we'll keep stacking this up. And then 3, 2, 1. Okay, we'll get this first. Nah, wallet. Okay, we need wallet. Dude, I think we're good with this for now, right? Oh, come on, we need another sausage roll. Dude. The thing about this game is they could have made it like the background of the country. Because right now, this just looks like a football field. Dude, it's just got like a temple. Oh, dude, my stomach hurts. Dude, laser beams! Oh, dude, what the fuck? Dude, dogs, snakes, and midgets. What? $3K after this one. Okay. Okay, we just started. Dude, we are rolling. Okay. Dude, it's so far though. Why are they so far away? Dude, we got like 4 sausage rolls. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Dude, we got 7 tanks. But Japan must get gross cat. Wow, what's gross cat do? Is Japan next? Dude, 1,900. Okay, 3K. I received a special bonus. Wow, dude, extra 2,000. Dude, I am the dog buster. What's this? What's this? Oh, we have cat food. Speed up. Nah, I don't care about this. What is this? Cat CPU, cat jobs. Receive 1 point. Oh no, we'll get that later. Don't care. See what? Upgrade. Okay, what do we get? In use tank. Cat axe. Cat. What is this? Increase cat cannon. No, I don't care about cat cannon. Efficiency. Wallet. Increasing it. We don't need wallet yet though, do we? Efficiency, yeah. Dude. Efficient. Okay. What's research? Production speed. What's accounting? Increases the money earned when defeating an ad. No, we don't care about that. Okay. Dude, we'll just double down on efficiency. Right, okay, now we're broke. Okay. Missions. Oh, we unlocked anything? No. Clear Japan. Oh, dude, we're gonna fuck Japan up. Oh, Cambodia, dude. They stand no chance. Let's. Oh, dude, that's pretty cool. Okay, get this. Send one of these out. Okay, and then we send a tank. Get 50k from the shop. 50k? How do we get 50k? Dude, we just spam tanks, that's it. Okay, now we get more. Cat axe. Okay, get the cat axe. Okay, we get this, level 3. It's getting more expensive now though. Oh, we can't get any more. I can't get this. Dude, I've been scammed. Oh, dude, it is getting harder. 37 cat food. Okay, I need a wallet, okay. Oh, so we can't go higher than 200. Oh, dude, they're gonna get fucked up soon. Okay, there we go. Dude, how many countries? Oh man, look at all these cats. Dude, they're absolutely getting rolled again. 2,200 XP. Dude, easy. Okay, when you unlock a new cat, you can visit the cat guide. Don't care. Don't care. Okay, that guy never goes away. Okay. Speed up, treasure radar, rich cat. Your worker cat will start the battle at max level. Okay. Cat CPO will control your base and fight for you. Don't expect much. What? Cat jobs. Sniper cat. Oh, plus 50k. Oh, dude, that's huge. Do we get any more of this cat food? Forget. We'll go with this, right? Yeah, we'll go with this one. Bye. Yoink. Oh, dude, now we're rolling. Upgrade. Dude, we're gonna have like the... Oh, that's for free. An axe cat. Nice. I don't care. Cannon. Don't give a shit. Efficiency. Wallet. 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 Efficiency. Dude, we don't need health. We're never ever gonna get hit, so... cat energy. Increases the max limit of cat energy you... whatever, man. Dude, I want a cat god. No, we don't need gods. Dude, fuck gods. Okay, we upgrade these. Buoyant. Holy shit. What the fuck? Okay, now we're officially broke. Oh no. Oh dude. Well, rip. Okay, now we're broke. Oh well. Oh well. Okay. We're Philippines. Okay, what do? The Philippines has a tree as their thing. Yoink. Dude, look at this guy. Dude, this guy's got biceps. Dude, and he goes so fast. Dude, these snakes are gonna get fucked up. And measure gross cap. What is gross cap? Dude, we've got 750 quid. The axe cap. Dude, look at this. It looks like Machamp from Pokemon. Oh, dude, this was even easier than the last one. Dude, we just rolled them. Oh, we'll just level up. Long tool card. Dude, we just sped run that. Okay, 2,500, that's okay. Go. Okay, gross cat, new cat. Upgrade. Special cats. Dude, ninja cat. Unit. No. Go back. Okay, gross cat, there we go, this guy. We'll save the rest. We need... What am I looking for? Efficiency. No, we'll get efficiency first. Long tour cat, okay, start. Dude, Japan again? What? Oh wait, no, Japan. We haven't been to Japan yet. Go. Okay. Okay, this is fun. Send one of these out. I get a rare ticket for this one. Okay, this is gonna be easy. Okay, we did a gross cat. And bang it. Okay, then we'll level this up. What does this do? Level 1. Does it make it go faster? Yeah, it does. Okay, we'll get this again. Okay, now it should be good. Now we'll get one more. Dude, we don't even need anyone. What is this cat doing? Dude, they got a damn polar bear. Oh wait, it's a hippo. Dude, this makes no sense. It's cats versus dogs, little people, and a polar bear. Dude, what the fuck is this game about? Just keep getting more. Dude, they're so damn tall. How many gross cats do we need? Okay, this one. Okay, easy. Okay, why would I fire the cannon? It makes no sense. Okay, give me this. Okay, now they fucked up. Dude, absolutely roll. Dude, these are sick. Another 2,800. Okay, let's go. You unlocked a cat seeker. What's a cat seeker? Holy shit, we unlocked a lot of stuff. Special bonus received. You got a ticket. What is a ticket used for? Dude, this game feels like an arcade game. It's like you hit the jackpot and then it pops up a bunch of shit. Dude, another 5,000 XP. Holy, look at the bottom. What is this? Platinum pack. Oh, I don't want your platinum pack. Oh, what is this? Okay, next. Oh, I'm not gonna buy your shit, man. Get out of here. What the fuck? Okay. What's a rare cat castle? What do I do? Dude, there's too much going off on the screen. What is this about? Halloween. What? Dark Heroes. The fuck? Dude, what? What is this? Is it this? Try once. What do I do? Rare cap capsule. New units added. Earn limited timed costume units. Tap the banner. Bro, I do not want this. That's kind of cool though. Storage. Dark Heroes. What about this one? What's this one do? I have one ticket, so I guess I have to save it for something. Okay, Dark Heroes. Okay, Dark Heroes. Try once. Oh. Dude, what the fuck is this shit? What is this? Dude, I got a bitch with no legs and she looks like she came out of shower. A salon cat. Dude, I wasted my golden ticket on a salon cat. What is this game about? Yo, is that good? Dude, I got a salon cat. What the f... Dude, where's my night cat? Okay, so we can get more cat food. We'll just save this one. Menu. Battle Cats Officers Club. Meow Meow medals. Dude, we got a damn Meow Meow medal. Don't care. What's this do? Builder of Empires. Collect all gold treasures from chapter 1. Okay, I don't care. That's very good. You can get another... I can get another one. How? This. Oh. Oh, efficient. I just bit my tongue. Ow. Efficiency. Dude, that's really good, right? Easy. Okay, now we're broke, so upgrade. Go. Oh, you gotta drag it. Efficiency. Upgrade. Okay, now we're broke again. What's research? Okay, I don't care. 30 cat food. Store. So 37. Oh, we don't have 37. Yeah, but we can, if we save up, we can get 120,000. Okay, I gotta be quiet. Okay, and energy. I recover energy by watching YouTube videos. No thanks. Oh, I missed it. Rare capsule. Okay, what's this? I'll do it. It's a koala. We'll get this. Send one of these. Send this. Good, they stand no chance. We'll get this. Okay, now we're going faster. Okay, then we get the Axeman. We get this. And then we get the tall one. Point. Okay, we get another one. Okay, we'll get one of these. Now one more of this. One of these. Okay, now we get the next upgrade. Dude, absolutely rolling. Grab this. Dude, die, snake. Dude, they're going up to heaven. Dude, Australia got rolled. Dude, Australia got defeated by emus, so no wonder why they get defeated by cats. What's OJ? OJ Discord. Dude, I think if you type in like exclamation mark Discord, it should come up. But dude, I haven't used Discord in ages. Claim. Dude, we've got 20 more. Easy. Okay, how do we get more? Activate energy drink. Raise your user rank by 10. Okay, yeah, whatever. This one, menu. Cat guide. What's a cat guide? Okay, nope. Hey? Hello? Oh, you're for you want a drink? Oh no. What's this one? Officers Club. Oh, dude, this is my rank. I'm rank 38. Start. What time is it? Oh, dude, is it broken? I swear, like. Oh, fuck knows, man. It's been so long since. What was it? I forgot what it's called. What about commands? Commands? Nope. Fuck knows, dude. Okay, Oh, Singapore. Okay, let's go. What time is it? Dude, it's 9 o'clock. How long have we streamed before? Oh, okay, that's fine. We'll play a couple more. Point. Dude, where's... Holy shit, that's a long one. Oh, that's kind of cool. We'll just spam tanks. Okay, then we get one of these ones. Okay, we need the tall cat. Dude, look at them damn long legs. Jesus. Okay, we'll get this guy, and then this guy. This guy. Okay. Dude. We've been untouched the whole time. Get this. 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 Dude, we're winning it again. Okay, we get more of these. Okay, they're getting rolled. Good man, Singapore is getting fucked up. Okay, this is GG. No? Dude, what are all these small people doing? Dude, they're fucking me up. Dude, we're not even getting close. Okay, there we go. Now it's GG. Easy! Okay, we got 3,400. Did we get a ticket? No? Okay, we've got 53. We're gonna save up a little bit. Okay, this guy's max level. What's a cow cat? How can a cow be a cat? Dude, how do you get a cow cat? How can a cat be a cow? What? Efficiency. Dude, we're almost full stacked efficiency. Okay, one more. Where are we? The Maldives. How would a cat get to the Maldives? Dude, he'd have to go on a boat. Oh, dude, that's kind of cool. Oh, dude, these guys are gonna get fucked up. Dude, this cat has been drinking his milk. Look at them arms. Yeah, they're getting rolled. The invasion of the Maldives. Okay, now we get the tall cat. Okay, let's start this. Dude, they got a damn pig. What the fuck? Okay, we're gonna get more. Holy shit. We have a pig. Oh, hello. Okay, we're broke. Okay, we need to get level 3. Oh no, my tanks are dying. Okay, now it should be good. Dude, how do we kill this? Oh no, what the fuck? Dude, this pig's fucking us up. Dude, he's destroying it. Oh, there we go, easy. Now we just demolish them. Yeah, see, now they just died. Dude, they might as well just give up because we're always going to win. Easy. Ooh, more shit. Leadership received. Good shit. Okay. No, thank you. What's this? Cat guide. What do you do? What's this? Special. Okay, I don't know. 53 cat capsule. Okay, don't care. What's the storage? Oh no, what are the this? Use. Yes. And what's this bitch do? Selling cat has no limit to when it comes to beauty. Works very well with use, I guess. Yes. Okay. I guess. Equipped. Organizing cat. Whoa. Okay. Get rid of this guy. Fuck him. What? Rare cat. Oh, we can get. There we go. Back. Back. Okay, now we're all good. Back. Okay, I'm gonna call it for today. That was fun though. Yeah, we're gonna end the stream now. I'm gonna figure out how the display thing works, but that was fun. I like this game. Okay, goodbye, dudes. Bye. 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 Bye.